Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start a new chapter named Profit and Loss. Before starting the chapter, let me make you familiar with some terms used in this chapter. First term is cost price. In short, we write it as CP. Cost price means the price at which an article is bought or purchased. Next is selling price. In short, we write it as SP. Selling price means the price at which an article is sold.
Overhead charges. Overhead charges are the money spent on transporting goods, labor charges, salaries, electricity bills, etc. They are also known as overhead expenses. These overhead charges are often added to the cost of goods to determine the total cost price. Now let's see the formula used for calculating profit or loss when the cost price and the selling price are known. So first let us see when there is a profit. So in the case when selling price is greater than the cost price, then there is a profit. And the formula used for profit is selling price minus cost price. In short, we can write it as SP minus CP. Now let's see the formula for loss. When the cost price is more than the selling price, then there is a loss. The formula used for loss is cost price minus selling price. In short, we can write it as CP minus SP. Now let's understand this formula through some examples. So the first question is, a shopkeeper buys a football for rupees 150 and sells it at rupees 210. What is his profit or loss? In the given question, the cost price of football is rupees 150, whereas the selling price of the football is rupees 210. Here the SP of football is greater than CP of football, so it's very clear that the shopkeeper makes a profit. And to calculate the profit, we use the formula SP minus CP. So when we subtract rupees 210 minus rupees 150, we get rupees 60. So the shopkeeper makes a profit of rupees 60. Question number 2. Raman bought a pair of goggles for rupees 84. He sold it to his friend for rupees 75. What profit or loss did he make? In the given question, the cost price of pair of Google is rupees 84 and the selling price is rupees 75. Since the cost price is more than the selling price, so Raman makes a loss, or you can say Raman suffers a loss. And the loss formula is CP minus SP. Rupees 84 minus rupees 75 is equal to rupees 9. So Raman makes a loss of rupees 9. Third question. A man bought a machine for rupees 12,175 and paid rupees 450 for transporting it to his town. He sold it for rupees 14,800. What was his profit? In the given question, the money he paid for transporting is the overhead charge. So the final cost price will be the cost price plus the overhead charge. So we will add rupees 12,175 plus rupees 450, which is equal to rupees 12,625. So this is the final cost price of the machine a man bought and he sold it. So the selling price of the machine is given to be rupees 14,800. So since here SP is greater than CP, so there is a profit. So profit formula is SP minus CP. So we subtract rupees 14,800 minus rupees 12,625, that is equal to rupees 2,175. Thank you.